This is 2019 model. I just purchased a lithium-ion battery. Original lead-acid battery wearing in 30 minutes. Could be less than 30 minutes. So I finally found decent price replaceable lithium battery on Amazon, and I purchased them. Let's see. The first of all, this one looks very similar in shape. Actually, I just got the shipment today. Very nice package, nice and safe. You know, there was also a thank you letter. It's really sophisticated. And this is perfectly fit. So far, it runs great. I just noticed there is some hiccups, so I have to find out the root cause. But so far looks good. I'm gonna keep this one because it cost me only $300, less than $300 actually. So I'm gonna give it a try.